If you're experiencing issues with pending transfers on Discord, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in processing transactions. Try switching to a wired connection or restarting your router if necessary. Step 2. Update Discord. Make sure you are using the latest version of Discord. Outdated software can lead to various issues, including pending transfers. Check for updates in the app or download the latest version from the Discord website. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve any temporary data issues. Go to your Discord settings, find the option to clear cache, and confirm the action. Restart the app afterward to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Check payment method. Verify that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. If there are any issues with your payment method, update it in your Discord account settings and try the transfer again. Step 5. Contact Discord support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Discord support for assistance. Provide them with details about the pending transfers and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They can help identify and resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the pending transfer issue on Discord. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further support.